everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and for today's video I'm going to show you on how to automate CJ dropshipping orders to your Shopify store. One of the most important aspects of running a successful dropshipping business is fulfilling orders efficiently and accurately. CJ Dropshipping is a popular dropshipping platform that allows you to sell products from a variety of suppliers without having to carry any inventory yourself. When a customer places an order on your Shopify store, you will simply need to fulfill the order on CJ Dropshipping and they will ship the product to your customer on your behalf. To do this, you will need to create CJ Dropshipping account and connect your Shopify store to your CJ Dropshipping account. To fulfill orders on CJ Dropshipping from Shopify, you will first need to add the products that you want to sell in your Shopify store. First is you need to open your Shopify store, and then if you don't have CJ Dropshipping yet, just click this one and then install app. And since we are now connected, we can now search for a product that we want to import. I will going to show you again on how to import product from CJ Dropshipping. So for example, I want to sell this sample. See what we have in here. I want to sell this jacket on our Shopify store. Just click on import and then go to your import list, and then as you can see, it is now imported on our CJ Dropshipping. And then push to store if you want to put this on our Shopify store. Then let's just wait for it to load, and then still pushing, and then let's go back to our Shopify store, and then let's go to products and let's see if it's already added. Let's refresh this page and it's still not in here. Maybe it's loading. It may take a while, but that product is not loading and it's not pushing to our Shopify store. Let's find another product that we want to sell, like this for example. Then just click that product and then let's search for it and add to import list. And then the importing is completed, and let's go to import list. And then if we want to edit and modify this product, you can, but it's fine with me. So let's push to store and then it will load again. And since it doesn't have more variants, it is easier for it to load and import it to our Shopify store. Then it is succeeded already, and let's see to our products, and then let's refresh our Shopify store, and then let's see, and it's in here. Once the products have been added to your Shopify store, you can now purchase them from your Shopify store just like you would in any product. And then once the products are already purchased, like this for example, this is just a test order. You will need to fulfill the orders on CJ Dropshipping, and once your account are connected, and we connected it earlier, we can now import our Shopify orders into CJ Dropshipping. And now that our order is here, we can now go to our CJ Dropshipping. Then let's go to my orders on the left dashboard, and as you can see, the order ID is 1004, and then in here 1004, and it's correct. And then we'd like to order this one, and since the shipping info is just a dummy info, we can just fulfill it, and it will automatically fulfill in our CJ Dropshipping, and you just need to submit it, and then you're going to order this. And then let's try this for example. We just need to make this an actual, for example, 99503, contact name Mark C, then phone number +1. Let's try to make this fake as possible, and then submit, and then it would save successfully. Then just click order, and then after that we'll be going to pay this one, and then it would push through. Always make sure that all the information is correct, and then once your order has been fulfilled, you can track the shipments in here on the orders tab. You can see the unmapped products to order and paid, to be shipped, to receive, and for the refunds if you have any. CJ Dropshipping offers a variety of additional features that can help you streamline your order fulfillment process. And that is it for this video. I hope this video has helped you learn how to fulfill orders on CJ Dropshipping from Shopify. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.